Hello there, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another NASDAQ analysis, and we're looking at the market that is consolidating. It is very hard to navigate, but I have a few insights that might help you to understand what are we looking for this upcoming week of CPI delivery on upcoming Wednesday. So without any further ado, let's dive in. I'm watching NASDAQ and I'm noting a few key levels that are supposed to be on everybody's chart. I'm watching this sell side liquidity at 20,640. I'm watching all-time highs at 22,450 and I'm watching double top at 22,111. Three levels that literally put us in a place where we say the marketplace is consolidating, but whatsoever, there's a few key points that I'm going to be watching for price delivery that will possibly deliver us lower towards 20,640 this upcoming week. I'm watching the price and the volume imbalance right here. I'm going to be noting the midpoint of it for this upcoming week, just like we had it the previous week where the marketplace has been trading. Let me actually show it. Just like we did it the previous week with the previous analysis, we've been waiting for the marketplace to bounce away from 50% level of this volume balance and go lower. We literally got the same price delivery with the Monday opening lower, pushing the price to the upside throughout the week, and Friday coming back into the range where from the midpoint of this volume imbalance. So for the weekly outlook on NASDAQ, I will put it in a very simple manner. I'm watching lower prices up until the point the marketplace trades below the 50% level of the volume imbalance. If we're gonna start closing above the 50% into the upper half of this imbalance, I'm gonna be watching 22,111 to deliver. Now, for the economic news calendar for this upcoming week. Monday has no news, so I'm gonna be avoiding any risk on Monday because we hate trading, we hate price delivery on Monday that has no economic news drivers. Tuesday trading is gonna be interesting because Fed Chair Powell speaks at 10 a.m. New York time. When Fed Chair Powell speaks, usually the conference can go from 15 minutes to 2 hours, 3 hours, and up until the point that he steps off the stage, the market is in a crazy mode. The market is in a circus mode and it's very hard to navigate it. Wednesday trading, CPI delivers at 8:30, so we're gonna go live on Wednesday to live stream the CPI delivery and look for the order flow right after. And majority of my risk for this upcoming week is going towards Thursday and Friday price delivery. Now, if you're still watching and you still stick with me, I'm gonna show you something else that I'm watching for this upcoming week. I'm watching this daily imbalance right here on Wednesday delivery. And if the marketplace is gonna still continuously trade below it, I'm gonna treat it as an inversion fair value gap to allow me to look for a trade entry short if the marketplace comes back into that range, right? So if Monday opens up and it starts trading into that imbalance, maybe we're gonna be able to find a early shorting opportunity here at around 21,690, at around 21,700 sharp. Okay, so if you enjoyed this outlook, leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to trade together with us, we go live every single day on our Discord community. If you want to join this, there's going to be a link in the description down below. So as we do it every single week, I want to take a look together with you shortly what happened throughout the week, right? So Monday trading opens up lower again, giving us a massive new week opening gap. So I'm gonna note the new week opening gap itself, and I'm gonna note the 50% level of it. We're gonna note the 50% level because it was very incredibly important throughout the previous week of the price delivery. Monday trading starts here with a optimal trade entry from this hourly fair value gap right here, and the marketplace starts pushing towards my interest point, let's say, which is the 50th percentile of the new week opening gap. If the marketplace would have bounced away from it, I would have called for lower prices and 20,640 to get delivered. We didn't get that, so my continuation pattern, my weekly profile for continuation says that first thing first, we have to close the new week opening gap overall. And because we closed above the new week opening gap on Tuesday trading, which was still bullish for me, I made a very simple call on our Discord community. I'm interested for the marketplace to deliver to the first presented fair value gap from Friday trading. The previous week. We get that done. Thursday we avoid, and because we avoid Thursday trading, we avoid this very hard to navigate price action. We find a double bottom down below here, which the marketplace delivers for, thank God it's Friday trading, right? Thank God it's Friday trading puts us in this situation where we have a marketplace that is bullish right here in front of us, and we want the marketplace to deliver towards the 30% level of the dealing range created throughout the week. Not only we have a break in structure, if you take a look at, I think, the 15-minute chart right here, you're gonna be able to find a 15-minute YouTube 2022 entry towards sell side resting down below towards the 30% level for thanks God it's Friday trade. And not only that, we come back into the new week opening gap top, which is just a brilliant price delivery. Now, for shorter term trading and Monday's delivery, what did I mention about this daily imbalance from Wednesday trading that just got inverted? I'm gonna be watching that on daily chart, yes, for sure, but I'm gonna be incredibly interested to see how the price reacts away from this hourly imbalance. If we come back into the range, maybe I'm gonna be able to find a shorting opportunity, something like this, something like that, into the 50th percentile of the new week opening gap, and maybe even hold on to a position that is gonna deliver us towards 20,640. So again, to wrap this up, thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for going through this analysis with me. I'm gonna be watching for lower prices, especially if the Wednesday inverse fair value gap allows us to find a shorting opportunity. And again, just like I said, if this volume imbalance gets inverted, I'm watching 22,111 to get delivered. But for now, I'm gonna be watching lower prices on NASDAQ, and without wasting any more of your time, I'm gonna say thank you for being here. Leave a like to this video if you enjoy what we do here every single week. So I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.